EDI has become pivotal in our business strategy. We think that it's important to connect with the external world and to make sure that what we do in terms of EDI embedded in our business is relevant to them.
Maybe an additional area where the investors are putting focus is not just diversity, but also the gender representation, career advancement.
Now, there is more opportunity than ever, and the capital market is recognizing that for innovative ideas and businesses. And we know that diversity correlates very high with innovation. And then inclusion comes because once you have diversity, the best way to bring the best of people is for people to feel welcome in our differences.
What do you think are some of the obstacles that face women, particularly in your career development? What are some of the big issues that women particularly come against and in terms of following their career path or getting up into higher leadership positions?
Using the metaphor of paint, diversity is kind of the palette that you have as a painter. Is all of the different colors that you have in the palette. So you have is who is in the team. So it's those different individuals that you have in the team. Inclusion is how do we use all of those different colors in different ways to make things different, to create new products, to create better services, to improve how we understand the market.
Whenever we go into communication areas with our international colleagues, we think about what is normal to me. What are these rules of the game that I play? But sometimes things that we think are normal are not maybe normal to other cultures. And so standing back and having that space to reflect on how we approach every interaction is something that I would encourage everybody to do when you're working across cultures to be more successful.
UK diversity champion alongside Ginny Gills. Super proud to have been selected and to be part of the EDI initiative.
I'm Sergio Milia and I'm the Italian diversity champion.
Imentumi, EDI champion from France. It's been 1 year since I was selected and integrate this program, and I'm so happy and proud to be part of this.
At the end, diversity without inclusion is nothing.